Should you refinance or refix? It becomes a little bit trickier, especially when you're mid-fixed term, to compare all the different things involved. Actually simpler than you think. When we look at things, we look at it from the lens of a few different things. Obviously, there's the interest rate. There's also cash incentives that banks pay you from time to time to switch over to them. And of course, the product features. And there's a lot of different little nuances between the banks in there too. So if we were to compare those first two things in terms of the interest rates and cash incentives, actually it's simpler than you think. We've kind of got some systems built up here where we basically look at where you are within your interest rate term, what the current rates are compared to what possible new rates you could get. So the actual dollar difference on that. Any break fees applicable, plus of course switching banks can incur legal fees as well. So we look at all that and basically pump out what could be either a benefit or a cost, a profit or a loss at the end. And that should easily articulate to you what the actual goodies are at the end. Now, this can be done for you free of charge. If you want to have a look at a scenario, feel free to get in touch. I do want to talk to you about the product features, the other way we compare loans. So between the banks, there are products differences, like how they lock rates, but also in the types of revolving credit they might have, or if they have an offset home loan. Some of those products can save you a lot of interest by utilizing any surplus cash savings in your account. In the case of offset home loans, it could even be parents' accounts or kids' accounts. So it is worthwhile to do a good full review of those products. And some banks will also let you pay off home loans faster, even normal home loans, but still keep the available balance as a kind of hidden limit in the long run. So yeah. Some of them also help you restructure a little bit easier further down the track than other banks. So important to talk to a good financial advisor like ourselves. Hamish from mortgagesonline.co.nz. Feel free to get in touch.